Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to make password invisible while you are writing it in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To make our password invisible, we have to go to Settings, then we are looking for Security and Privacy options here, and at the bottom we have Other Security Settings. And here at the top we have Make Password Visible. What does it do? Show password characters briefly as you type them. If we don't want to leave this little after image when we are type our password, we have to uncheck this little box, and now we won't have this little after image after typing our passwords. It will be a little bit more secure. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.